brand new video. Sorry I'm losing my voice. Dude, we stayed out super late last night. I didn't have a jacket. It was cold, so I think I'm getting sick. But anyways, check out this lineup. Got the BRZ and my FRS. It's hard to see, but the FRS is in the back. We are headed to Streethunter's / Illiminate's pop-up meet in LA. Got Jason with us, cleaning up the wagon. Got my guy Victor. What's up, bro? How you doing? How you doing? But yeah, a little early morning gas station meetup. About to fill up the cars, and we'll be on the way to LA. It's gonna be sick. I actually have Noah driving the FRS today, so we're gonna get to see the FRS being driven. 70 bucks. That's just one car too. That's one thing I love about the Streethunter kits. Their gas caps are so freaking cool. Got the little magnet. Good to go. Add on 47. Sheesh. Driving the FRS today?
Yeah, bro. It's pretty cool.
How's it feel? The BRZ or the FRS driving it? Noah's like my driver pretty much now.
I like this one more.
It's
but
nice.
That one's fun to drive. If that makes sense. Like that one's more fun, but this is more comfortable.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, this one's way more comfortable. Check out Victor's car. Got the white on white now. Damn, I love this look, guys. You guys know me. White wheels, white bash bar. Sheesh. Color combo is so fire. I've never tried these, but seems pretty bomb. I love oatmeal cookies so much, so this low-key sounds pretty good.
Caramel or vanilla?
Caramel. Actually, I get vanilla. Vanilla's fire. Dude, I love those things so much. I get down like 10 of those.
Yeah.
I've literally never tried this, but it seemed pretty good, so I don't know. Drive? Long drive, huh? Bro, the pops were crazy, dude.
I'm telling you, bro.
Hey, you got the hang of it, though.
I was at the end. Were they shooting flames?
Yeah. Dude, they were so freaking loud.
Some of them were so, like, you felt it so loud. Like, it felt it under the car.
Dude, yeah. Like, the big ones you could feel.
Hey!
You guys remember this place? This is literally where we did the air suspension for the FRS. We did it over there on one of the lifts. So we're back over at 405 Motoring. This is where the little pop-up meet is going to be. We made it in one piece with the FRS and the BRZ. The washing TJ's C8 and the M4. But guys, check it out. We got Calvin's BRZ. And the thing is, this whole inside is going to be full of Streethunter cars. So this is kind of like a Streethunter meet. We got Dylan's 2nd gen. And check this out. It's Streethunter Z. This thing is super nice. I believe it's the same color as the STI. But dude, this is gonna be sick, man. Lots of dope cars gonna pull up, I feel like. Dude, this is nice. Sheesh. Super excited. We got a lot to experience today. Check this out. We got Randy's cars posted up in the wrap booth. Dude, this is so clean. It's crazy seeing all these cars in person. You just see it on video all the time, but just seeing it in person hits different. Sounds nice.
Shut up. Don't even.
What?
You don't even like C8s.
That is nice. Wide body.
No,
but stock
this
ones
is
are
all
ugly.
for the camera.
Nah, stock ones are ugly, but I mean, obviously that was sick.
Not what I've heard behind closed doors.
Oh my. So fire. So fire. My guy Nick, what are you doing, bro? How you doing, man? The vlogger, good to see you. How do you feel? It's official.
Dude, it's crazy.
Stressful morning,
it's
huh?
been stressful. We've been doing so much planning the last like month or so.
Yeah.
Between TJ and Randy and just all of us trying to coordinate everything. And 405 for being nice enough to actually let us use this place. But we have such a great turnout of people. I can't wait to meet all of them, see fans, take pictures, do signings.
Dude, look at it. Like literally, this is crazy.
This entire road down here.
Oh, bro, I thought it was going to the sidewalk.
All the way down. Like you can, like to the very end of this building. And then it wraps all the way down here. Look, we have a beautiful.
That's insane, bro. Damn. This all you, dude.
Yeah,
this all you.
Crazy.
Heck yeah. Greetings.
Greetings, my fellow tall American.
All four. Which one are you taking? I think I have an idea, but
3, 2, 1.
C8.
That one.
Ah, they're gonna pick the C8 because they're literally just talking about it. Good choice. Good choice. Good choice.
I'd be so confused. I'd be like,
A right-hand drive.
You're in the wrong
Leave
lane.
all the missing gears.
In the wrong lane.
Crunch, crunch, crunch. Downshift in the first. Money shift. Oh my gosh.
Bye. Just set somebody's car. I don't know what I keep doing.
Okay, how's the fitment? Chill, dang. You gotta rate the fitment. I know you love looking at fitment, so.
The fronts are pretty.
What you guys think? I think it's perfect.
I approve.
10 out of 10. 9.5. If it was touching lip, that'd be a 10. But it's a 9.5. Ooh.
That's right.
Damn, I got a little Panda BRZ. That's so sick. I need one of those. That's my, can I give me that for Christmas? Do a little burnout. I need one of my car that looks exactly like my car. That'll be sick. Who is that, bro?
Freaking Bronny James, bro. LeBron James. LeBron James. We're about to find out right now.
There he is, bro. Go say hi to him, bro. Biggest fan, bro. Go say hi to him, dude. Yeah, he's actually picking up his charger. 405 did a whole thing with his car, you know, bagged it. Pretty much, I think they wrapped it too, wheels and everything. Hey, snap.
Oh.
Hey, we just experienced Bronny's first ever air out on camera right here.
We did.
Bronny season 2, bro.
That's crazy. In the all black freaking Tahoe, dude. Man,
You wouldn't even
must be
expect it,
nice, bro. No, what's this title gonna be?
Ronnie's first air out.
First air out on camera? He'd be like, hey, you got a lot of home runs last year or something. Like,
So the hella dub. Hella holy ones.
It's on the air out a little bit.
Man, I'm trying to go home.
I know, right?
I don't even want bags.
Damn, you get to say what's up, dude. Subscribers? Say what's up, dude. Hey, what's your name? Albert. That's nice to meet you, bro. First ever time signing a seat. That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Guys, he's wearing the merch all the way from Atlanta.
Oh my god.
Dustin Williams.
Oh, I remember that. No way. So long ago. That's crazy.
Yeah, so like, bro, I've been watching
Damn.
for like the biggest minutes.
Damn, bro. Bro, someone set you up, dude. Low riding, dog. Oh, wait, what? Fell apart on him. That's crazy.
Pressure's on, bro. The vlog's watching.
How do you, officially ended. It's been such a long day. What'd you think, bro?
It was chill.
Let's feel it, chilling. Everybody's pretty much leaving. I think it's so hard. So cool. They have like door protectors in these parking spots. It's so clutch. Alright, well, we made our way to downtown LA. We got the BRZ somewhere in there. That was a super long day. Me and Daniela decided to stay the night because it's kind of like what we usually do whenever we go to like events in LA. Instead of taking the 2 hours to drive back home, so we're doing that very often. It's just staying up in LA. But anyways, appreciate all you guys saying what's up today. I met a lot of you guys over at the event. It was pretty cool. I always say like literally in like events, but like it's like one of my favorite things like to do is like meeting you guys in person. It just hits so different like in comparison to like just like seeing comments and DMs. It's just so different. So honestly, appreciate it so much to all you guys who came up and just said what's up. Really made my day. But yeah, we're super tired. Massive thank you to Streethunter, the boys over at Streethunter, 405 Motoring for having us, and Illiminate. It was such a sick event. Just having all the Streethunter cars together. It's just like a rare occasion where you can just see all of them literally together. So it was so freaking cool to be a part of it. Still just super thankful to even like be able to do that, just having both cars there. So massive shout out to all the boys. We're gonna get something to eat, knock out for a little bit. But yeah, we're bringing back the emoji thing. So if you guys are still watching up until this point, I think for the emoji, or it's actually gonna be 2 emojis. Let's do the purple and the green heart to match both of the cars. I feel like that'd be a super sick one, since this video is mainly consisted of like both of those cars. So if you guys are still watching to this point, let's do those 2 emojis in your comment. With that being said, hope you have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.